everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to make this beautiful coaster or ornament. Do you order little fabric around your sewing room? Because I have so many, so I'm going to start doing this between the handbag, wallet, and ornament or anything related to Christmas season. So I'm gonna show with you step by step, and it's very easy to extend it to the larger side or the smaller side. I think this is the smaller side for the coffee mug. I have cut in here the main fabric. This is for the back side, and this is for the front side, and I use 4x4 inches square, and I use heavyweight interfacing. Same size I iron in here. I also cut in here 5 stripe of fabric here, this little fabric everywhere, so I'm using this. And this is 1.5 inches by 16 inches. So I'm gonna show you one, and then you're going to do the rest. So for this, the long side, I'm going to mark 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch on this side, 1/4 inch. From here you're going to fold it, and then you iron it. If you want to draw the line, you feel free to do that. If not, do this, and then you're going to iron after. You're gonna do that to all 5 pieces of this, and then we'll go from there. Now I'm going to divide this into 8, so that's 16, so 2 inches each. So divide on each block in here with 2 inches, everyone. I'm sorry, I just saw that the camera, it didn't cover the whole thing, but you don't miss anything. Just divide into 8 pieces, and so 2 inches each. And I usually mark on the bottom side too, so when I cut it straight, I know it's small, you can cut it straight if you're a professional, but this is how I am and the way I learned, and it's how I want to show other people how I do things. But you can skip it and cut it 2 inches each if you like. So after you cut on each piece, you're going to fold in the center line and mark it there. You don't need to draw anything. That's for you to sew later on. So I'm using the green one for the front, the one with the interfacing. So I'm gonna go and go on the one that with the fabric, not the one the side with the interfacing, and I'm going to draw the line. So I'm using this glue to help me hold all the pieces together. You can use glue stick if you want to. So facing the 1/4 inch down, and then the center line, it facing right at the center, just like so. And then next one, you see 1/4 inch right underneath there. Follow that and place the next one. I'll do the white one, and then the 1/4 inch, I just go line this down this way, and then the next one I'm going to use the blue, and then right at the 1/4 inch, you can see that. Now I have this, and then the next one I may have to add the little glue here. Last one I'm using this green, and that is that everyone, so even. Okay, and then you turn into this side, you're going to do exact the same way. So when after you put in together, you can see you have a quarter of an inch extra at the last one. Okay, now you're going to go and sew this straight line all the way. Now after I sew on this straight line all the way here, I'm going to lift the side up so I can add the next one and the next one and the next one until you add them all in. You're gonna sew this, and then when you're done, you're gonna go to the next one, lift this up, add the next one, and then sew it in the center, and then next one and sew. After I sew on this side, then you're going to continue to do the next one and the next one. Hey everyone, after I sew them together, it looked like this. I may need to have a GPS to find the pieces. Just kidding, it looked like that, but it's very easy, everyone. First, you're gonna look in here. Okay, just show you one side here. Okay, so one side like this. This is one set, and this is the other one. Okay, so it's like this. Each line, it has its own set right here. Okay, you don't fold each set of them. You go on to fold the red on one side of the red in the other side together. Okay, you can see this. This is one set on one line, and this is the second one on the other side. And then you're going to take the red on each side, the red on the left and the red on the right, and you're going to fold. I'm gonna fold one down to this, to the side here, and then I'm going to fold one more like this, and then one more down. Okay, so let's do one down on the side and one more time down this way, and then another one going all the way down, just like that. This is my way doing, and it makes it so much prettier. And then the next one, you're gonna fold one time, two times, go right like that, and then on the left, going one time, two times, go over, just like that. Now I have two. And the next one, the white one. Going down one, going down twice, fold over like that. On the left, going down one, going down twice, go like that. Going twice to the center, going one, going twice, to like that. Last one, going down, going side, going one, going twice, go to the center. And you can see you have this whole petal right there. Isn't that so beautiful? And it's very easy. I'm gonna go and clip this down and then go to the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Now we have 3, and continue go on until you're finished the whole thing. Everyone, after I fold it all together, it looks so pretty. And so for this, you're going to get a DVD, and you're going to place it in here so you can trace it around. With this I like because you can see from the center here. So now everyone, after I trace the circle around with the DVD, you're going to go in the back here, and you're going to place the other piece of the fabric right in the back here. Just make sure side by side and everything. I can see the circle. I'm gonna sew around here. The line that I draw, it go on the side of the parcel foot. I go very little at the time. I'm gonna go around and trim the area I just saw. Everyone, after I trim around, I just want to say, show you step by step. You're gonna go and sew this, go to here, all the way down to here, and then sew here, so that fold will stay in together here. Or you can continue to go here on the side, and then go straight right in the middle, and then go on here, and whatever you decide. I'll show you. Let's just say that this is the 1-inch bias tape, and they show they folded already and 1/8 of an inch on both sides. So now you're gonna go and sew it together. We're finished, everyone. It looks so cute. You can do this with bigger side, and this is the back. And I'll put a cup on top of that. That's how cute this is. So adorable. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all of you that always comment on my video, like the video, and share with others. Stay safe, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Love you. Stay safe. If you want to use that the Christmas ornament, you can ask the ribbon to hang it on the Christmas tree.